My toes!
Gorebox, a game with many paths, both good and bad. But we did not really dig into the multiplayer community type things, at least not in too much detail. This video will explain what I think of everything. So yeah, tune in. Or as I will classify each and every player, both in categories of something like species in a way. I'm not saying they are, I'm just saying the types. So, with that being said, I'll just show you what I'm thinking of it in general. You'll see about now.
My name is, no name. Hey, stop fucking jacking over there! My apologies, my apologies. My name is No Name Honks, PM, and I'm a mature player, but also a little bit autistic sometimes. AKA immature. Can you stop that?
Back to the interview, sir, please. Back to, calm down, don't attack him, don't attack him.
I'm gonna fucking kill those
sir,
guys,
sir,
I'm gonna fucking go kill those guys.
Sir, sir, oh shit,
Stop! I hate you, you fucking bullshit! Oh my god!
Okay, so, just to take it seriously, Maniacs are basically the, killers, griefers, raiders, looters of Gorebox. Basically, people that murder people on sight for no apparent reason. Yeah, those menaces of society. They're mostly 5-year-olds or maybe mature people trying to troll. But you know what, I respect that. Gorebox is kind of a crazy place anyway. But I don't hate it entirely though. So, yeah. Now, we're gonna move on to number 2.
So, name is Optic. Apparently, people are just calling me like mature for this game, which I don't understand.
Okay, are you aware about the rising amount of racism in the game?
Oh yeah. I had to file multiple report.
Oh
Right
shit,
there,
he's
that guy.
back.
That guy right there.
Shit, he's back.
Like that guy. Oh, okay.
Hey, sir. Oh! Hey, sir. Oh! So if you didn't get it, they're the chill people on the game. Basically, the intended audience of Gorebox. None out of the ordinary, just normal human beings. However, number 3 begs to differ.
Okay, so I'm Mike, and what the fuck am I doing here? Did you close me here?
No, we're trying to ask, we're trying to interview you.
Can I have a gun?
No, just be patient, just answer questions and you'll get, you know what, how about this? I'll give you a guard if you can answer these questions.
Okay.
Okay, so first question is, what are you? How old are you?
0.1 second.
0.1 seconds? Okay. Anyways, next question.
She said she was 18! I swear!
Anyways, back to what we were doing. Sorry about that little misconception. What made you play Gorebox? Like,
Cause funny gold game. And
funny gore game? Okay, but aren't you too young to play this game? Whoa, hey, get back. Yo! Okay, so as you saw there, the immature people can be freaky or at the same time calmer. But, bro, you're too young to play the game. Get off. Now, let's see number 4. I don't know what's next. Okay, so we pulled you down here because we're trying to interview all the species of Goreboxians. Like we actually tried to interview a RDMer. He is totally contained right now. Nothing too much to worry about. Anyways, first question: what made you play Gorebox?
Get out. Get the fuck out.
So you saw the video, okay. What is your honest opinion on the 5-year-olds here? Mid, okay. I am actually very happy that you're actually being mature for once. Like, we have another person that's mature. This guy over here I interviewed earlier. What's up?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, he's a part of the what I call the mature species. You're somewhere between immature, so I'm calling you the normal or tech species. I'm just making this a nature-like thing, if you know what I mean. Anyways, thank you for your time. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Alright, anyways, with that over with, I can now say we are going on to the next person, which is a Spanish guy. I don't know Spanish, I only know a few words, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we have captured a Spanish player, so how does it feel to be in Gorebox?
Yeah?
How does it feel? Okay, somebody translate here. How does it feel to be in Gorebox?
¿Hablas español?
Okay, let me say it again. Do you like Gorebox.
Oh, nila, Gorebox. See.
Okay, he likes it. He said yes. All right, good. Also, just so you know, we do have tacos above, so that's just what the smell is. So don't pull out your minigun. Whoa, hey, calm down. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey, sir. Well, that happened. So far, the interviews were quite chaotic, but this last guy seems to actually want to do something in life. Because not only is this guy a part of a gun shop, he actually protects it. I think you know where I'm getting at. They are the police officers of Gorebox, if you can imagine that, I guess. Alright, so we called you down here because we heard that you are a part of the guards of Gorebox. You're like, go around servers and become... Okay, understandable. But like, what do you do as a guard? Do you protect, actually?
Yes.
Okay. Good to hear. And what is your honest feedback about the racism on Gorebox? Alright, anyways, time for the...
Music.
Okay, what was
Music.
it?
Hawks got missing. Hawks just went missing.
Wait, what? Oh shit, okay, hey, can you escort me real quick? We gotta get at it. Go. The prey runs down the alleyway, unaware. The predator is catching up rapidly. He's about to strike.
Cyan Gang sends their regards.
The predator runs off, leaving the body behind. I forgot to mention the racism.
Yep.
I hate the Greens! I hate Greeners!
Dude, come in. Get the
Ah!
Yeah, that guy's racist.
Alright, anyways, yeah, Gorebox is full of wonders and all that. So that is pretty cool. Isn't that right? Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My N-word.
Hey, get back to school, you dickhead. Anyways, that's about it. See you guys. Oh shit, he back! Oh, whoa, hey, no!
What are you